Welcome to our training video on screen sharing with CommBox Atom. In this video, we're going to show you how to screen share your device, such as laptop or mobile phone, to the CommBox Atom. CommBox Connect supports Miracast, Chromecast, AirPlay, app, and web. Let's go through the screen sharing options. First, open the CommBox Connect app to see the device name. If you want to use Miracast, press Windows and K on your laptop, then select the device to cast to from the relevant displays. Check the option Allow mouse, keyboard, touch and pen input from the device to enable touch feedback feature. If you want to use eShare to connect, you will need to download the application initially. To do this, scan the QR code on the screen or visit eShare.app and follow the instructions to install. Once you have the eShare application open, you will see a list of devices available to connect to. Select the one you want and select Screen Share. If you want to cast the panel back to your device, select the TV mirror option. You're able to cast up to 9 devices at the same time. Tap on the user icon on the right side of the screen, then select the screens you wish to view simultaneously. To disconnect a device, tap on the person icon on the right-hand side of the screen and tap on the broken link icon and click OK to disconnect. Now we're going to look at how to configure screen sharing settings. Tap on Settings icon, and here you can customize how many screens you can simultaneously share, choose if you want to show the device name, whether you require a password for screen sharing, and which sharing options you would like enabled. Great! Now you know how to screen share with CommBox Atom.